Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I've got this nice 50 by 40 canvas and I have masking taped the back. I'm just putting it on this tray instead of my giant push pins today. And I'm going to do a split colour composition in some out there colours because I had a little challenge that I was requested certain colours, and don't take challenges usually. I'm over all of that, to tell you the truth. I just like to do my own thing, but I thought I haven't worked with these colours in such a while, and I did another little piece that I really loved. So I'm going with a split composition on this one today. So we're going for purple lovers. We'll do the purple. We'll do the purple in here. I will use my offset spatula to spread it out. Now remember, if you're just a beginner, or you've only just found my channel, I have all of the pouring medium recipes and how-to videos in the information underneath each video in the drop down box in the description, so it's all there. All you need to know to give this really fun and addictive art form a go, when you probably people turn to it when they just like need something to do, they're at home, they're bored, or you just feel like a creative process but don't think you're ever good enough, which is how I started, and you just try something that seems achievable, and this is it. I mean, some people get it really easy and go, you know, really good straight away, and some it just takes a little bit of time, and it's usually paint consistencies that some people have a hard time with. So, but it is well worth it, that's for sure, to give it a go. So there's my purple. Now I'm thinking of going it's going to be real candy. If you're not a candy person, then you may not be the one for you, but I'm going to go this candy pink. It's just was white and I put red in it till I got the pink I wanted. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's no rocket science there, or ordering special colours. I usually can make my own if there's something I want to work with. Then you just custom make your own. So if you're feeling like you would like a video on custom colours, making of custom colours, I think I did one years ago, but I haven't done one for a long time now, so I can definitely do that for you guys if you so wish. So I know this won't be everybody's taste, but you have to try new things. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way, and your colours. It doesn't have to be. Don't take criticism. Don't let anybody burst your bubble, which can become very easy when you're a YouTube artist, because there's lots of people really wanting to put you down. So just try the best you can to ignore them. It is hard, even at my age. I think, oh my goodness, I'm over this. Get criticism over the stupidest things, but I look in their profile and they've never done anything themselves. They're just keyboard warriors usually. I'm going to blow this paint over the edge so it coats the edges of my canvas, so hence why I'm double pouring. So I might give that a little blow first over the edges with my little mini dryer. Okay. If it seems to have like a, like a textured effect, or you think, oh, the paint's too thick, don't worry about it. If it dries like that, then it, all goes to the character of the piece, I guess. Don't don't worry, don't give too much worry to it, I say. So now I'm going some magenta. I'm really gonna spice it all up here, aren't I? Spicy, spicy, spicy. Spicy. Now I'm going to go really bright red. Oh, if I can get it out of the container. It's bright red, brilliant red. This is really, oh my gosh. I have no idea if this is going to work, but you know, we'll just try it. So there's a lilac, a lighter lilac. It was just the purple actually with a bit of more white in. Huh. So I think that I should probably leave that. I have got a really light pink. Maybe I can blow that up towards the purple more. And then I'll put in a bit of the darker to blow down towards the, on the light pink. And then, which I did on the last one, I'll show you in a second how the other one turned out. I'm going to use some of this, this is my, oh I love this colour, it's my champagne gold. So I make it out of 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. Just love it, love it, love it, love it. And it kind of makes really nice shimmer in the paint as it mixes in when I blow it. Right, let's get to it. Just taking this slow with the dryer. So I'm going to blow out. Bear with me here because the magic will happen here for me in the balloon work or the blowouts, and I'm thinking that I will try a few of the blowouts and see what I mean by blowout is I put a puddle of paint, which I want this purple to pop, so I'm usually probably lucky with when it looks thick, it seems to, the paint looks thick, it seems to absorb into the canvas and doesn't crack on me, as you'll see with the last pieces I've been doing. I'm going to use my straw to blow these out. Still more magical happening here. Yes, I could definitely get away with doing lots of less paint, but you know, I always go over the top. That's my bad. So I've got my magic balloon. Put your balloon in between your first two fingers in the belly button. Give it some. There is lots of paint on here, but sometimes it's having lots of paint that really creates the amazing effects, the flow in the piece. So, and I think this is what it's doing in this particular piece here. It's beautiful. I mean, it's not everybody's cup of tea, my colours, I know, but that's it. You just do it you just do you and I'll do me. So there's plenty of paint on, yes. Just wipe your balloon off and re-kiss it. Yes, you can use your balloon on another canvas, on cardstock. Don't waste your balloon kisses. No, I do far too many pieces to do it every time for me personally, but yes, you can absolutely do that. So I'm going to go in with a smaller balloon now, a little bit more detail in there, and yet I can come back when it's a little bit drier, when the paint's absorbed a little bit more into the canvas. I can come back and see where it needs some touching up. That's all availabilities to us. So you just, yeah, do things your way. Just giving you ideas. But it's certainly a therapeutic activity, should I say. Activity, definitely. There you go. I'm going to just do some threads out here. Actually, I was going to... just softens it up to me, but like I said, you do you and I will do me. Oh, I love that gold in there, that champagne gold. It really definitely adds to the piece. And now I'm going to do a crazy thing. I want to do some paint flicks. I did it on my last piece. I started off using a brush to flick some paint on the negative space, and then my brush wouldn't flick because the paint was too thick. So I used my finger to flick, and I just like it. You don't have to do it, and I'm sure I'll get comments, you ruined that piece. But that's it. You do you. Let's do this thing. I'm going to get some of that. For the pinky area, I'm just going to literally dip my finger in the paint and flick it. And I don't care where it goes. It can go over the painting. I'm just loving this of late. So there you go. I'll definitely show you the finished product. So on the purpley bit, I'm going to flick a bit of pink. Lovely. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So remember, as long as you're happy with your piece, that's the only person you've got to please, is you. So I'm going to give this a whiz over with the heat wand. Oh my goodness, so happy with that. Love it. I'm going to grab my camera and bring you down. So here is the flicked piece. Absolutely as bright and vibrant. Jumping off the canvas. That's a happy piece. Really, I'm really pleased with that. Love the flow in it. It will dry absolutely gorgeous, and I will show you it dry when it's dry. I'll put the video on, clip it on the end of this video. So this was the other piece that I did, and I did a magenta back. So it's kind of similar colours, but blew that all out. Did some catalyst wedge. This piece will be up on my channel now, so if you want to go see it, then definitely go see it. All right, bye for now.